screws and thingies here. That was for the CPU. We have one of my keywords and mouse and screwdriver, installation guides. We have stuff on the table. We have carbon boards, and other thingies on the floor. We have this here. We have a lot of, well, not everything is stress here. And there's plastic, and there are things, and oh yeah, this one I will need to put back. We have these the how to say that, the side covers. I have my anti-static mat on the ground.